lonesome. In the quiet forest, sunlight drifts through the trees, casting long shadows over the moss-covered car.
The corroded grille and cracked headlights glisten under dappled light. Tiny fragments of moss essence. A slow cinematic orbit reveals faded paint and shattered glass. The forest fog weaves through the scene.
Hands move deliberately, securing tow cables to the frame with precision. Each adjustment is slow and methodical. Arriving at the studio, soft overhead lights highlight the aged metal and dull chrome. Tool racks and concrete floors surround it. Carefully, the vehicle is positioned on the hydraulic lift. Shadows stretch across the workshop floor, emphasizing every mission. A gentle spray of water cascades across the car's surface, lifting decades of dirt and grime. Soft foam brushes glide over the exterior, removing dust and moss without touching the underlying textures. Seats are lifted carefully, rusty bolts turning slowly under precise hands. Each movement is tactile and measured. Dashboard components are removed piece by piece, wires and dust exposed under soft workshop lights. Fingers trace edges.
A grinder moves along the chassis, sparks flying in controlled bursts. The slow, rhythmic motion creates a visual
wheel umbers. The engine is gently hoisted from the chassis, suspended in soft studio light. Every motion is controlled. Hands brush away oil and grime, moving slowly across each component. Dirt lifts gradually, revealing. The undercarriage is sanded methodically, rust flaking away under careful hands. Each stroke moves.
Sanding blocks move over dents and scratches in slow, deliberate strokes. Every grain of sand whispers across the surface.
Primer mist floats in soft arcs as it's sprayed evenly across the panels. Hands move gently across the primer, sanding and evening the surface. Every motion is careful and rhythmic. Tactile. Brushes and cloths remove decades of oil and dirt slowly, exposing hidden details beneath. Bushings and mounts are replaced methodically, each bolt turned slowly and precisely. Every movement. Pistons and cylinders are fitted back into the engine block with measured, deliberate movements. Each piece settles. Brake calipers and rotors are cleaned and polished with slow, precise strokes. Reflections shimmer on metal surfaces. Each body filler is applied in gentle strokes, filling small dents and scratches. Every motion is slow. Microfiber cloth sweeps dust and primer particles from panels, moving slowly and rhythmically. Soft reflected.
Silver paint is mixed carefully, each rotation deliberate and controlled. The motion is slow, meditative.
Silver paint is sprayed evenly across the panels in slow, steady arcs. Mist floats softly in the studio light. Hands lightly brush over drying paint, checking surfaces slowly. Each curve and reflection is observed carefully, every motion deliberate and satisfying. Clear coat glides over the panels, forming a smooth, glossy layer. Each path is slow and precise, mist catching reflections.
The clear coat is sanded gently, evening the surface with slow, rhythmic motions.
Microfiber cloth sweeps over polished panels, smoothing the surface and enhancing reflections. Every motion is slow, deliberate, and calming to watch. Bolts are tightened slowly across the engine and suspension. Each metallic click is deliberate and rhythmic, emphasizing tactile precision in every motion. Brake components are installed carefully, each piece aligned slowly. Hands move methodically, creating a calm, tactile, and visually satisfying rhythm. Hands glide slowly across the freshly painted panels, inspecting curves and surfaces. Soft. The rebuilt engine is carefully lowered into the chassis. Each motion is slow and controlled, metallic surfaces. Hands reconnect wiring with deliberate care. Each connection moves slowly, wires sliding into place, creating leather seats glide gently into position, bolts turned slowly and carefully. Careful. Dashboard components are replaced one by one, wires tucked neatly. Fingers trace edges slowly, ensuring alignment, every movement deliberate and calming. Windows are fitted with precise, measured motions. Soft light reflects off the smooth glass, each movement slow and tactile, highlighting careful placement. Chrome trims and badges are polished slowly, creating gentle reflections. Each circular motion is deliberate, tactile, and visually satisfying. Wheels are mounted carefully, nuts tightened slowly and methodically. Each click resonates subtly, emphasizing tactile precision and rhythmic satisfaction.
Microfiber cloth glides across polished panels, smoothing surfaces and enhancing reflections. Every motion is slow, deliberate.
The engine hums to life, low vibrations resonating gently. Each sound and movement is deliberate. Headlights illuminate softly, reflections dancing across polished surfaces. The studio glow creates a calm cinematic. A smooth camera orbit circles the fully restored vehicle, showcasing gleaming panels, chrome accents, and
Soft spotlights reveal flawless surfaces, polished wheels, and gleaming trim. The camera moves slowly, capturing
Actions. Hands move slowly over curves and chrome, highlighting perfect paint and reflections. Each stroke is
The restored car sits proudly under cinematic lighting, with the classic Restore Hub logo glowing softly behind.